25 basis rate cut is announced by RBI, and this move has come after 2020 and it was long awaited. Clearly, if you look at the recent budget and the monetary policies being announced, monetary and fiscal policies both are being announced in sync, and the focus in both the cases is to increase the spending power or consumption power of middle class and upper middle class. If the rate cut is announced and liquidity is also being increased in the banks, so definitely bank would lend the loans for the lower rate to the customers. Now the customers who would be getting the home loans and other loans at lower rate, their purchasing power would increase because their disposable income will increase. Similarly, if we talk about the income tax rate cut, this would also increase the disposable income of the middle class and upper middle class. So if we look at it overall, the consumption power is the strong point of Indian economy, and it is being pushed by the government so that it gives boost to overall economy. So as an investor, you can be benefited out of it, for which you can probably bet on the stocks which are banking stocks, NBFC. These are the stocks which will be directly impacted. Also, all the stocks which are related to consumption would also show a good move. Also, as an investor, it would be advisable that you keep an eye and avoid stocks which in a way directly or indirectly are linked with global markets. There are multiple turmoils which are going on in global markets. If you look at the US China trade war, or if you look at geopolitical tensions in various parts of the world, so it would be advisable to restrict yourself to the consumption based stocks which are particularly linked to Indian economy and Indian consumption power. To stay updated, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.